Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here again with Candy from Candy Glam Nails. Today she'll be attempting to do the pimple nails.
Yeah.
On me.
Yeah.
This should be fun.
Yes. So, these pimple nails, we need to start out with some skin. So, we're going to paint them.
Oh, we're doing them skin colour.
A nice skin colour. Because, you know, authenticity.
This is actually really nice. You've done like one coat.
Buttercreams are amazing.
Yeah.
I love Light Elegance. Quite often you can get away with one coat of these. And the cool thing about it too is if you agitate it, it makes it even thinner.
Ah.
That's why they call them buttercreams, because they're gone like soft butter. Well, because me and my eldest, we like watching Dr. Pimple Popper videos. And like I'm literally the sort of person that will be up until 2 o'clock in the morning watching someone getting their earwax cleaned out and be questioning my life and what I'm doing with it.
You're the second person I film with that's mentioned their love of watching Dr. Pimple Popper
I love Dr. They're disgusting, but they're so good.
I can't watch them. I can't watch them.
My husband says it's, in his words, he says it's minging. He goes, it's gross. But my son loves all that sort of stuff. So we'll like be sitting up till really late. No, we're actually using Senoderm detoxifying and moisturising mask because it's nice and thick and
moisturising and hydrating.
Of course.
And it's healthy for your nails.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can find a Senegers distributor.
Because we love putting healthy things on it.
Have at it.
Yeah. So if you're wondering what works really well, apparently actually we don't know if this works really well. We haven't.
It seems like a good consistency to me. I think you chose well.
A very good like pus sort of. Is that bad?
We're talking about pus in such glowing terms.
If you want a pus like face mask.
I know. So I think we use this middle one. So. So we want like a dollop of it right in the middle of the nail. Get off. Off. Get off. Okay. Then.
Hit my elbow.
Then we're going to top coat it.
I keep fighting.
I feel like I'm with my kids all over again.
Stop it.
Okay, tip your hand upside down. Let gravity do its thing. Okay, and then back. Yeah, and then pop it in.
Why does she keep doing?
Hey.
I never noticed that she was squeaking.
It's probably because you got shiny leggings on.
Yeah. It's my pants.
If anyone wants to know what this little torch is, it's just a little LED curing torch, by the way. It's just good for flash curing stuff. And then we'll make that one of them as well. Yeah. Yeah?
I think we can both have a turn squeezing these.
Yes, that's the funnest bit. I'm just going to do 2 little pimples on these as well. Alrighty. More pus. I wonder if I could just get into like a ball shape first. Maybe. No, it's not really a ball shape. That's a little bit better.
Hey, that one actually did work out a little bit better.
Practice makes perfect. I'm just going to cover these monstrosities up.
Oh, that looks so much better.
Looks almost as tasty as the noodle nails.
These are going to be a little bit more fun.
I know. I'm so excited.
Not as edible.
I know. Is it sad to be excited about pimples? I think yes.
Depends who you ask. Alright, so, I mean, that's what it looks like so far. So far, this venture has been a success.
Yes. Is that too red? Oh, we're going to put yellow over it anyway. So.
Are we?
Yeah, to make it a puffy head.
You know what we should have done? We should have put a little caviar bead in the cream. So it's like you squeeze it and it's like a little boop, the core comes out.
Surprise!
It's like, to one of the pimples.
Yes! Oh my god, yes! That's so gross. This one was an ingrown hair.
Just like a little...
They look juicy and ripe for the picking.
They definitely... They sort of look like nipples.
If it didn't have the yellow on top. This one looks like a vampire bite. There you go, what do you think?
Yes.
And then we probably should top coat them again, eh?
I feel like this was a great idea.
I think so.
How good would it be to do this on actual nails or actual acrylic nails? Walking into like a random salon with a hidden camera and being like, yes, I've come in for a refill, sitting down and then just filming her reaction going...
Actually, I think that one needs squeezing. Would you mind? Could you just get that for me? Thanks. I'll pay you extra.
Let's not put that in the video. Someone's going to steal my idea.
Yeah.
It's like nail pranks. There's like a whole series of nail pranks. Sit down, film them. What is this?
Yeah.
Like, what's the problem? I came in for a refill.
It's like, I think that's a nail infection. I don't think I can work on those today.
Squeeze them and it pusses everywhere.
And they freak out.
Well, I've got time. Let's go to the salon now.
Yeah, get that bad boy there. That way I can hold it and snip it. And not lose it. Because I'm just thinking if this is too thick, we might not be able to squeeze it and might not do it. I wonder if we need to put a hole in it before we... Maybe if we just do it like from there.
Just on the side.
Yeah, that looks nice and gross.
Okay, yeah, this took a disgusting twist.
I know. Didn't see this one coming.
I'm surprised how well these turned out.
I know. So gross. They do look really bad. Done.
Alright, so before we pop it, we forgot to do cuticle oil, so
Very, very important.
nail care is very, very important. You always have to add cuticle oil.
Yes.
So all in all, I think these look pretty good actually. Like you've got the little yellow, it looks like the past is like sitting right on the top of the nail. So, okay, so we've managed to successfully build the pimple nails and now we're going to try and successfully pop them. Okay, so first person point of view, here we go.
Okay. Do you want the hairy one or do you want the other one?
Oh, I'll let you pick if you want to do the hairy one.
Alright.
You can do the hairy one.
Here we go. Ready? Ready?
Wait, it's not. There we go. Ready. Is it popping?
No. Oh, hang on. Oh, there we go. It's going to come outside. Hey! Ew. It goes
We should have
out.
coloured it like yellow.
I know we should have. Ready? Oh, there's more coming out. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, that's so fun. Ready? No. Oh, there's some more. Oh, it's all coming out. Oh, there's some more there, look. Ah. Yeah, I think that's it. Nice.
Oh, I think there's heaps more in that.
Do you think? Do you think we should do more? Sometimes you got to come at it from a different angle, don't you?
Oh, just a teeny bit.
Usually by the time you've got this far, like blood starts coming out or something.
We should have put like a little bit of red on the bottom to be like, okay, now they're bleeding.
Oh, that's just all cracked. There we go.
Oh, it looks just like a real pimple. Like when you get deep enough and your skin just like peels off.
Yeah, that is true. Look, there's still a little hair coming out of it. It's very authentic.
You know what? I'm going to try and do it with
Tweezers?
some type of tweezer. Do I have?
Yeah, it's a bit hard doing it one-handed.
Yeah, these tweezers are a little bit sort of weak and cheap and crappy, but I thought they might be. Oh no, it's too hard. It's too hard.
Maybe we need to poke a little hole in it first.
Oh!
Oh, you got it!
It's like a real pimple, like, ah! It's squeeze.
Didn't end up on the bathroom mirror, it's all good.
It feels so real. Like the amount of squeezing I have to do, and then it like explodes out the sides. I'm like,
Oh, yours was the best one.
It made a little noise. It's chinky.
That's awesome.
Oh, mine's making little noises.
That's realistic.
Oh, there's a lot of brown bits.
Ooh.
So I think people should rate the pop. Which pop was more satisfying? The hairy nail or this one?
Comment down below.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Link in bio.